If you're looking for a rare find in Southeast Lakeland, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, no homeowners association, and a nice quiet neighborhood, then this is your home. So let's take a home tour. 3511 South Crest Boulevard here in Southeast Lakeland. This is a wonderful, nice quiet neighborhood right over off of Highway 548 in Yarborough. Huge lots. This is over 1/3 of an acre. 2-car garage, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Wonderful quiet neighborhood. Let me just kind of give you an idea here. Yarborough is straight out that way. Highway 548 is just south of us. Clubhouse Road is just a couple streets over. Nice, quiet neighborhood again. Wonderful, beautiful trees. Let's go take a look at this home, give you an idea. The owner's done some nice touch-ups on it, some nice improvements, new carpet, and I think you're really gonna like it. It's got great curb appeal. You can see here we've got nice front porch. So let's take a look at the inside. You first walk in, you've got ceramic tile in the foyer. Painting has been done. Huge living room slash bonus room, sitting area. You could use this for an office, what have you. Plenty of windows for lots of natural light. And then the dining area is straight ahead. So let's kind of give you an idea of the flow of this home. When you walk straight in, you're gonna see they've got some laminate flooring here for a nice ease of use for pets and kids. 2-car garage over here to the right. We're going to come back to that at the end, but when you first walk in, you've got a nice family room, fireplace. The wood beam ceilings are gorgeous. Again, this is all brand new carpeting. This is really nice how you got the mantle here, the lights, the brick, and the natural light here. So it's in a fireplace, which you use 3 or 4 days a year in Florida, but it's really nice to look at. You can do a lot with that. And here, really it has some flex space here. You could put a round table here if you wanted to. Make your main dining area this side, whatever you choose to do. So it's a split bedroom plan. So 2 bedrooms, 1 bath down here, and your master suite is on the other side. Let's take a look at the kitchen. It's got stainless steel appliances, range, built-in microwave, plenty of cabinets. Got your refrigerator over here. Stainless steel. You can see this right here. Ceramic tile flooring. Lots of cabinets, lots of counter space. Windows overlooking the screened porch area. Big backyard. I'm going to show you that in just a minute. As we walk into this area where you can see, this is where I showed you when we first walked in the home, but it's just a super nice large area that you could do a lot of different things with. So lighting. So we're going to enter the master bedroom. See, this window overlooks the screen lanai. Nice sized master bedroom. Again, the painting's been done, the flooring's been done. Got a walk-in closet here with some shelving. You could easily add additional shelving down here if you'd like to. And then the master bathroom is right here. You've got, let me just go ahead and get back here so you can see the sink area, the cabinets, and then the lighting is directly above. You got a couple mirrors so you can make it like a his and her area. And then this has the tub shower combination. And they've done some nice work on the finishing with the tile and the tub. It looks great, looks brand new. And you can see the nice thing is the tile goes all the way up to the ceiling, which, so we'll go to the other side of the house now. A little over 2,000 square feet. So here's your other full bath. Got double sinks, nice backsplash, double mirrors, lighting. And then this would be pretty much the same tub shower combination, the same type of tile. And toilet is around the back. You've got an obscure window there for privacy. Linen closet behind this door. And then another linen closet this way. Two nice sized bedrooms. If you can tell from the video, but they are really big bedrooms with double windows. Closet area to the right. Again, really nice size with the double windows, which is great for just lots of natural light. Of course, your closet area is kicked back around there. It's got a fresh smell. It's really, really nice with all the work they've done to it. Again, this is something that's really hard to find here in Lakeland, when you can find something that's actually got a no HOA, great neighborhood, great location, close to shopping, and more. So let's take a look here on this large screen porch. This again was to the family room. There's from the kitchen, get an idea where we are. Large lanai area. It's got a fenced yard. Let's take a look back here. This is perfect for families, for pets. If you want a nice sized yard, you don't want your neighbor on top of you. You can see it just kind of winds around here. You've got all this space. Even comes around to this side. Hard to find land anywhere, especially in Southeast Lakeland. Wonderful home. Let's walk back in. A few more things to show you. Thanks for hanging out with us today on this home tour. Lakeland is one of the fastest growing counties. Polk County is. Lakeland's in Polk County and in the nation. So a lot of growth here because Florida is a great place to live. So here's your garage. They've got the new Flex epoxy flooring here, which is gorgeous. Turned out really, really nice. 2-car garage door opener. Could add some peg shelves if you want to there. It's got a side service door to go outside, and of course your water heater. Pull down attic stairs for additional storage. It's ready to go. So would love to show you this home, give you a private tour. Feel free to reach out to me. All my information is below. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Hey, thanks for stopping by today. If you'd like more information on this home, please reach out to me directly, 863-647-8600. If you'll do me a favor, subscribe to this channel. I can give you more valuable information whenever we drop content on Central Florida real estate. Have a great day.